Hey guys, what's up? Brandon here, and today we're talking about hydrofoil stabilizers and do they work? I've had one on my boat since I bought it years ago, and I've never really tested it. I've never taken it off to see if it makes a difference. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to get out on the water, we're going to do a test and see if it benefits. It helps me get up on pad if it doesn't do anything at all, if I don't even need it. So that's what we're going to test today and then go from there. So if you're not sure what a stabilizer is, a hydrofoil stabilizer, it is basically a little fin that goes on the back side of your boat here. And what it's supposed to do is help you get on pad quicker, stabilize your boat a little bit. I guess it doesn't walk as much. We're just gonna get out there and test it really and find out what it does, if it does anything at all. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so there you have it. First impressions, really, I'm not that impressed with the hydrofoil. It did help, I noticed, at the whole shot, bringing the nose of my boat down a little bit quicker, but almost at the same time, it felt like it created drag on the boat as well. So I feel like with some trim adjustments, I can offset that. And because when I got up on pad, I just felt lighter, quicker, less drag. And there was a little bit of play at top speed with the hydrofoil off. So we'll see when we get in rougher waves if that makes a difference. I'm gonna I think what I'm gonna do is kind of run with it off for a while and see if it bothers me at all, if there's any difference, and if I need to put it back on. But for now, really, I didn't think that was that much of a difference with it on. So for now, I'm gonna leave it off. Comment below if you guys have experience with it. If you've had do some tests, you want me to do different tests with it to figure out a little bit more on different days, we can do that. But for now, I wasn't that impressed with them. I don't really think they're that necessary to spend the money. We'll find out in the long run. Maybe we'll put it back on, do a new video of why I put it back on. But for now, I'm gonna leave it off and see how it goes. But as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.